Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and boy, summer's right around the corner. What screams summer more than cheeseburgers? How about some smash burgers? How about some cheesesteak smash burgers? Now I'm not gonna call these Philly cheesesteaks because I'm not getting into all that about a Philly cheese. We're just gonna call these cheesesteak smash burgers. We're gonna do them right here on this Blackstone. But before we do, hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here at the Crazy Acres. You can't never tell what's gonna show, who's gonna show up or who's gonna stop and eat with us. You don't ever know. But if you've been here, hey, thank you so much for the love. Thank you for hitting the subscribe button. We're growing more and more every day, and my mind is just blown that we're over 10,000 subs now. So thank you so much for all the love and support. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, hit that thumbs up, all that good stuff. If you've been here, thank you. And if you're looking for any recipes that we might have done in the past, look down below in the description. There's a recipe playlist link down there. You can find it there. Click on that. It'll take you to all the recipes we've done. If you don't see what you're looking for, hey, shoot us an email. Let us know in the comments something maybe you'd like to see. We'd love to try new things here. So with all that being said, let's fire this thing up. Let's show you some groceries and let's get to cooking. All right, now to make these smash burgers, we need some heat. So let's get this thing going. I'm gonna get these two burners here right above medium, and these two, I'm going to the low. Now the ingredients for a cheesesteak smash burgers, well, gotta have burgers. Roughly here, these are about 4-ounce balls of hamburger meat. We have a couple buns in here. We have some bell peppers and onions that I've already kind of just cut up and mixed up together here. We have some provolone cheese, and we have some cheesesteak seasoning. Y'all, that's it. Super simple, gonna be delicious. All right, y'all, we got a little smoke coming off the griddle. You know what that means? It's time to get some groceries on the griddle. Now what we're gonna do is go ahead and start off with the peppers and the onions, get them going first, because the smash burgers will not take long at all. So let's put down some oil. Now, what I'm also gonna do is go ahead and add some cheesesteak seasoning to this peppers and onions. That's right. Not just the hamburger meat. The peppers and onions get the seasoning too. Get it mixed up good. Yeah, buddy. She's cooking now. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let these peppers and onions go for just a little bit, start the cooking process on them, get them softened up some. Like I said, them smash burgers, once we get them on that griddle, they're gonna go fast. All right, just come in here every now and then and just give it a stir. Oh, look at that char. Look at that char, y'all. Looking good. Won't be long we'll be ready to throw these burgers on here. All right, y'all, let's give this another stir. Ooh, boy. Man, them peppers and onions are looking good. Look at that. And they're smelling even better. So I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna slide these over here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut this far burner here off and just keep everything warm. Peppers and onions are just about where I want them. By the time the smash burgers get done cooking, they'll be exactly where I want them. Let's get smash burgers on. Now to do these smash burgers, a lot of people use a press. You know, you can use a press. You can use, Blackstone sells a press. I don't have the newest one they have. So what I'm gonna use today is a big wide spatula and this. Press them down. That's what we're gonna do. We have a lot, this side here is just screaming hot. That's what we want. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil down, throw the burgers on there, we're gonna get to cooking. Throw some Earl down. Hit with some seasoning. Get our parchment paper. I meant to mention that. I always use parchment paper. Helps keep from sticking. Press down and count to 10. Let's see what we got, y'all. Yeah, buddy, that's it. And there we go, they're on. What I'm gonna do though is give them a little more dusting of the seasoning, and then we're gonna flip them here in a minute. Put a little more cheesesteak seasoning on all of them. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna let these cook till we start seeing the brown kind of juices bubble up through the middle. And once that happens, we know we got a good crust on the other side. It's ready to flip. Okay, starting to see some juice coming up through the middle of these burgers, starting to see it turn brown all the way around the edge and up in the middle. Time to flip these things. Now, when you're flipping a smash burger, try to find a spatula with a beveled edge, something you can kind of get up under it with. That's what you want, because you want to get that sear, that crust to stick to the burger. Makes all the difference in the world. So let's get these things flipped. Oh, wow. Now that is a crust to be proud of. Let's put some cheese on here. I don't know about y'all, but I love a lot of cheese. Now, burgers are flipped, peppers and onions are done, cheese is melting. Let's get our buns on here and give them a little light toast. Just kind of put them right there, toast them up just a little bit. This is a pretty griddle, y'all. Let's check on these buns. Oh yeah, that's him right there. Yeah, buddy. Yep, that's what I want. Okay, guess what? Little plus, little extra for you. We have some cheese skirt going on with that provolone cheese going around the edges. Let's put these things together. Think what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some peppers and onions here. Oh wow, yeah. Get on there, you. Same here. Peppers and onions. Oh, yep. Get back on there, you. Get back on there. Oh boy. Grab our buns. Now, this is where all the fun starts. We're gonna go ahead and kill all our heat because we're done cooking these, and we're gonna build these things, get them done, and try them out. Let's turn off all our heat here. I don't know about you, but I think I'm gonna add some more peppers and onions right there. Like that. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Right there. Y'all, look at that creation right there, would you? Let's see if we can get this on a bun. Not saying it's gonna be easy. Oh yeah, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Y'all, these are gonna be good. Crown them. Ta-da! Y'all check these out. Y'all tell me what you think about them cheesesteak Smashburgers right there. Toasted bun, two pretty Smashburgers, provolone cheese, all them peppers and onions, a cheesesteak seasoning. We got to try these out. Y'all, I don't know about you, but these things, I mean, look at those. Looking pretty dang amazing to me. Now, I've made some ugly food in my life, and you may think this is ugly, but I think it's beautiful. You know what I'm gonna do now, though? I'm gonna take this knife here, and I'm gonna cut it. Because it's just a lot of burger. Oh, look at that. Yeah, buddy. Cheese coming all out. Oh, wow. Get this thing back all together here. Peppers falling all out of it. Man. I don't even know how to attack this thing, but I'm gonna attack it. It's super simple, and I expect it's gonna be super delicious. Let's try it out. Yeah, buddy. That. I'll be done in a minute. That screams summer all summer long. Man, that crunch of that smash burger. Look at that cheese skirt right there with that provolone cheese and all them bell peppers and onions and that cheesesteak seasoning. Man, got another bite. And that toasted bun. Let me put this down so I can talk to you. Anyhow, y'all try to make these. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you do different. Would you add mushrooms? Would you not? Would you take off peppers and onions? Let me know. I'd love to know how you make your cheesesteak smash burgers. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this cook, what you do different, what you'd add, what you take away, whatever. And hey, if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. We'd love to have you with us. If you are subscribed, thank you so much, so much. I got to go find somebody to help me finish all this, and we'll see you next time.